So for my survey form, I decided to use Google Forms. This was a very simple and easy way of creating my own survey. All you have to do is go to the Google Drive and click on you can search Google Forms and it will pop up with a blank template. So before this started, this was a blank template. But then if you want to add more questions as time goes through, all you have to do is press the plus button and a new form of question will pop up. And the thing about this is that it can be multiple choice, it can be short answer. There's many different ways that you could provide questions for your survey. Then to get some data and responses back, I just sent out the link to some of my family members, some of my friends, and people that I know on campus. I just asked them if they could just take short little time to answer 5 quick questions. So then after people started submitting, it shows up on the responses page. So you can see that there are 22 responses. What's cool about the response page is it kind of gives you a layout of what each individual or as a whole responded by. So you can see the different percentages and how people may differ in opinion, or how some of them have definitely a larger portion that they agreed on.